Good afternoon. My name is Sarah. I'm an examiner with Learner.dev Academy, and my examiner number is 25680. Can you tell me your full name, please?
My full name is Ali Riaz.
Thank you. And what should I call you?
You can call me Ali.
Alright, Ali. Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. That's fine. This is candidate number EC53659875. Let's begin with some questions about hobbies. What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually like to watch animated films or sketch characters. I find it really relaxing and a great way to express creativity. Sometimes I also listen to music or go for walks.
Have your hobbies changed since you were a child?
Yes, definitely. When I was a kid, I used to play outdoor games with friends, like cricket. But now I enjoy more creative things like drawing or working on digital art.
Do you enjoy doing creative things like drawing, painting, or animation?
Yes, I love it. Drawing is one of my favorite hobbies, and I've recently started exploring digital tools. Animation really inspires me because it's about bringing characters to life.
How often do you watch animated films or shows?
Almost every week, I love exploring different animation styles and stories, especially short films and creative series.
Is there a hobby you've always wanted to try but haven't yet?
Yes, I've always wanted to learn the guitar. Music is such a powerful form of self-expression. But I haven't started yet because I've been focusing more on art and studies, though it's still on my to-do list.
Do you prefer indoor hobbies or outdoor activities? Why?
I usually prefer indoor hobbies because they give me more space to be creative and focused. But if the weather is nice, I do enjoy cycling or going for walks. I guess it depends on my mood.
Do you think hobbies are important for mental health?
Absolutely, hobbies help reduce stress and give us something positive to focus on. I remember during exam season, sketching helped me stay calm and balanced. It's like a form of therapy for the mind.